If you want to charge viewers to watch a live football match online, Dacast makes the whole setup straightforward. In this video, we will walk through every step, from creating your stream to activating pay-per-view, so your audience pays before they watch. Start on your Dacast dashboard and create a new live channel. This channel is the container for your stream. Everything, your encoder settings, your monetization rules, your embed code, lives inside it. Give it a clear name. Something like Live Football Event works fine. You will see a preview appear right here on the dashboard. Now for the important part, getting paid. Click on Paywall. Enable Paywall. The cast will prompt you to set a price. Enter the amount you want to charge, choose your currency, and set the access window, meaning how many hours a viewer retains access after they purchase. For a live football match, a 24 to 48-hour access window works well because it lets viewers re-watch key moments even after the final whistle. Once you save these settings, your stream is locked behind a paywall. No payment, no access. Next, grab your embed code or your shareable link. You can drop the embed code onto any web page or sports portal you manage, and the Dacast player will appear there, complete with the paywall. Here is what your viewers will see. They land on the page, they see the video player, and before the stream loads, they are prompted to purchase access. The checkout is clean and fast. Once they pay, the stream starts immediately. No redirects, no confusion. If you want to go beyond a web page embed and give your audience a proper app experience, Dacast has a built-in tool for that called Expo. It is a white-label OTT app builder that lets you create a branded streaming app for phones, tablets, and smart TVs without writing a single line of code. The result is a professional app with your own name and colors. Viewers find your event, pay to watch, and never have to leave your branded experience to do it. After the event, your full revenue report and viewer data are available under the Analytics section. You can see total transactions, peak audience moments, and watch time, all useful for planning your next broadcast.